Hello, welcome to the iPi channel. I'm Tomasz from the iPi team. Today we will be introducing to you our latest development kit, ComExpress Type 10 Elkhart Lake. If you follow us, you probably know that we've released before Elkhart Lake based kit, iPi Smart Elkhart Lake. And this kit, it's ComExpress Type 10 and it's based on 6th generation Intel Atom x6211E SoC. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's see what's inside. On the right side you've got two power cable, US type and EU type. Then we've got here 19-watt power adapter. Okay, that was the left side, and then on this side you got quick start guide with all the information that you will need to get started. Then here is the development kit. Here we go, and we have a few things more at the bottom. So here are all the cables that you will need, and in case you might need the backboard. Let us take a closer look at the development kit, which consists of nanoX-EL module, heatsink, and mini base 10R reference carrier board. So let us take a look at the connectors that we've got on the carrier board. Starting from this side, here you have audio jack, RJ45 LAN connector, two USB 2 ports, one display port, another RJ45 LAN connectors, two USB ports. Let me turn to another side. Here we've got one SD card slot, which is not supported by this module. Then we've got GPIOs, external GPIOs, LVDS or EDP connector, and two mini PCIe connectors. Turning to another side, here we've got power jack, reset button, power button, lead button, and sleep button. And on the last side we've got here post data display, then two COM connectors, SATA port and power for SATA, and at the end mini USB port. Okay, in next video we will show you how to connect everything. In the description below you can find some useful links to where to buy page and our social media channels. So stay tuned and see you again.